Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, I guess. So my voice, I have a sinus infection. I'm quite sick, but I'm on the mends. So we're going to camping today. Because I'm still on the plan to kind of cross off all the lists, we're going to Golden Ears today. So I previously camped on Golden Ears Mountain, insert pictures. And I've also camped on the East Canyon Trail, backcountry. But I've never actually done the car camping. And because I'm sick, wow, perfect timing. So then I can have all the luxuries of comfort. My sister, her friend are coming, and we're camping with my boyfriend Scott today. And because they're transiting over, we're getting all their gear ready. So I don't think I ever showed you. We kind of organized our gear in a new way now. So we have all these shelves available to us. Kind of our pack's a little bit messy, but we're heading out soon anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so it turns out Sara is stuck by this gym by my apartment. And she needs me to pick her up because she has too much stuff. So I am off to pick her up. And there she is.
Holy shit.
What?
So full back here.
So Sarah's all packed up, ready to go. Scott's ready to go. I'm ready to roll. Now we're gonna go pick up Sarah's friend. Currently at the grocery store, grabbing some food.
I also got bowls.
Oh, nice.
For soup.
We have our tons of water jugs, and then we're just finding Kayden. What did you get?
Got the shin ramen.
Mmm.
Shape. Very good.
These are literally the best.
Yeah.
I love them. What are you most excited about?
Hot dog.
Ooh.
Tonight.
That is a good choice. Kathy, what are you most excited about? I do like the drive to see the nice mountain range here that we're driving past.
Ooh, yes.
But I'm also excited for the fire. Mm-hmm. Scott?
Chopping firewood.
Ooh, yes,
Classic.
I'm excited for you to do that too.
There it is. Little sheep on there.
Wait, sorry, I just pressed play. Can we say that again?
Hi there. Hi. On the reservation?
Yes,
It's the same.
it's 2D.
One in the vehicle, other one on the site post, and then also, so you just keep one on you and then the other one on the site post.
As I should.
I got that on camera.
Guess what? Guess who's to edit it out? Shall I
Morning.
drive?
Drive, which is somewhere on this map.
So we made it to Golden Ears, and this is our campsite, TD 24A and B. So we got the double campsite. So it's pretty cute here.
Yo, you took on the whole tree?
Crazy. So I'm currently going to grab firewood. So Kayden and Sara are gonna be basically our setup people.
The tents.
So it's actually very sweet that they have a specialty shop here. They have like a Misty Element Mocha, which I guess is the lake that's called here. It's super cute. I just learned here, it says on the sign there, did you know that Golden Ears Park was founded in 1920? Pretty cool.
Oh. Why is it two? Oh, this one is on the other side. The new line for like a camping gear.
Ooh. There we go. Look at our tent.
Two gears.
Oh, look. You were kind of right. I don't know. We're kind of struggling for the top here. Really? You want me to help? Yeah, so you want the zipper to open up with the openings. I'm gonna pause the video because now it's gonna be like, oh, how many kilos it takes me to climb? Should we move the rocks maybe? We have a shovel.
Okay.
I know Sarah's now.
Is it gonna shin? Yes?
Nope.
Yeah.
And so we're sleeping on the rooftop tent. While Sara and Kayden are sleeping in the tent tonight. Sarah's hard at work and Scott is also hard at work. So this is the view inside the rooftop tent. So I'm setting up everything. The windows are open. And I'll show you the sleep setup afterwards. So it turns out I found Scott's sleeping bag. So we got our setup here. Super cute with our little pillows and our view.
That's how you get your distance.
Yeah.
And then just as you swing it, you just slide your hands down. Let it fall. It'll probably split. All right, here we go. You're at the bottom there and set up the distance.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Now swing.
Oh, that was me. And don't worry, I got all the shots, what makes it look really good.
Are these portraits?
Nice. Okay, now just leave it in there.
Yeah.
And bring it up and down on the log. Hard as you can.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's how it works?
That's
Wait,
It has a tail.
Oh,
So I can catch in the middle like this. Little hairs.
Yeah. Oh, that's easy.
Sometimes it takes a little bit. No, it's funny. You think about how hard it is to start a fire, but forest fires happen so easily.
Oh, I know.
You're like, what the fuck? What am I doing wrong here? It's catching.
Ah.
So everyone, while Sarah, Scott, and Kayden are going on an actual adventure, I'm playing Hello Kitty Island Adventure. So that'll be quite the vibe.
Oh, that's so cute.
I know, right? It's so cute.
Enjoy your grapes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and I got cotton candy grapes.
Okay, so I'm hijacking Kathy's phone. We got Kayden and Scott. We're gonna go on our hike. Are you excited for our 20-minute hike? Okay, Scott, where are we going?
Here. And we are going here. We're going to go around here.
How many kilometers is that?
I don't know. We'll find out. North Shore Rescue. I'm ready for my close-up.
It's free.
It's free.
So it looks like this is the walk-in campsites parking spot. And then further down, you can see the actual campsites. Oh, nice. Oh, these are actually really nice and secluded. Oops. There's campsites like right here, and they lead to the bear cache here. So if you have your food and you need to store it overnight, just put it in here. Okay, so we found the trail start, and it's literally just going back and forth like a switchback. Okay, we're coming out of the forest. Oh, so beautiful. I would love to go fishing here. Have a look at that green water. I wonder if you can see any fish down there. Planet Earth just tried to swallow Scott's butthole. Look at that. It made the whole noise and everything. Oh yeah.
Okay, just wait. Which one does Scott got? Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
That looks so cool.
Better than there used
We're
to
back.
be.
Yeah.
How do you
Yeah.
feel?
So,
I was so
I
tired
don't
from the
know
hike.
what the hike.
How was your gaming?
It was good. I made new pizza flavor.
Ooh, I love that.
Yeah, it's like a dessert pizza. Pretty
Oh, look at the fire.
It's all from the other side. Goes on my boxes.
Yeah, that makes sense. No good. It's the money shot. It's not the money shot, guys.
Nice.
All right. Not ready.
Nice.
Oh, that sucked.
No, you got it though.
No, I didn't.
Oh.
You hit it with the handle.
I couldn't even tell. You did it, Queen. There we go. So supportive over chopping wood. Like, it's the coolest thing ever.
Do we have like pot or anything to boil water?
Oh, yeah, we do. I brought it with jet boil. Oh, it looks so cute. Did it just die? I got it. I got it. We're all ready to go.
I love this.
Wood on the fire, I guess.
I don't think so. It's like 9 o'clock. So it's officially 10 o'clock, so I'm probably going to go to sleep.
We're talking about mouth taping. 'cause
Yeah,
we're
we're gonna
old.
mouth.
We all
Yeah.
have messed up nostrils.
Adults.
So that's what the night holds. And what's it called? Kayden is doing a sinus rinse. We're literally so old.
Good morning. I just woke up. It's 7 a.m. and it's a beautiful morning. I'm actually feeling a bit better, even though my face doesn't look like it. I look really swollen, but whatever. I have to go Pisca, and we'll see if the other ones are still sleeping. I heard apparently they wanted to go on a hike at 5 a.m. this morning, but I heard Sara snoring right when I woke up, so I don't think they went. There. Yeah, they are. Good morning. You guys didn't go on your hike at 5 a.m.? No. Okay, so Sarah's now up. How did you sleep last night? It was just really cold. It was a cold night. My nose stripped. Oh, there's Kayden. How did you... Fire's ready. How did you sleep last night?
Great.
How many hours do you think you got?
I don't know. Trending readiness. 5 hours.
Oh, that's pretty good. That's not terrible. So now we're just packing up. Tents down. Table's gone. Fire thing put out. To stop by, we're gonna go somewhere called Humble Roots Cafe. It opens at 9 a.m. We came a bit early. And unfortunately, I'm just full on in my pajamas. There's a line up here, which I was surprised about. That's nice. Oh, we got soup.
I just like so many things going on.
Oh yeah, I'd be so like overwhelmed. This looks so good.
So we just left Golden Ears. Some of us had a really cold night. Some of us not so much because we had the tri-layer rooftop tent. But we just went to the Humble Cafe, which we thought was like just a little coffee shop, but it was actually really good food. I had the eggs and curds, I think it was called. It was really good. It was like a poutine. I grade it like a 9.5 out of 10. What'd you guys have?
What do you get?
Veronica's pierogies?
Here we go, that one. I like it a lot. It's very fresh. That thingy is handmade. The
pierogi, right?
Here we go, pierogi is, I think they made in-house, so gotta try.
Myself and Kathy, we got the spa breakfast. It was so delicious, and I'm so happy that we split it. And then we also had the mushroom soup on the side, and the mushroom soup was fantastico.
Bye.